Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Rode PSA1 Studio Arm, or you call it boom arm. So I recently got this for Christmas. You guys saw it in the last video. I really like this because it has cable management. My microphone, it needs an XLR cable. So if you guys see these GoPro, it says Rode in them. So that's where I put my the XLR cable through it. Then it goes over there and then to the interface. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm very excited, guys, because this is like my first boom arm. So yeah. Ooh. Okay, it has some accessories as well. Or like, actually, I'm gonna start with this. Actually, oh my God, this is the boom arm, and this is like that little thing. If you have like a bigger mic, you screw it where, you know, guys, where you have to put the boom arm in. So if you have, for example, the Blue Yeti, then it has like a bigger hole, and just put it in there and then put it to the boom arm and it should work. That's what it's for. So next thing is, this one is the clamp where you put it in your desk. There should be one more clamp in here. Oh, there is. Okay, so there's two options, guys. Wait, let me get it. No. So guys, as what I was saying, so you have two options how you want to clamp it. So this one, you have to drill a hole in your desk to put this on. It's more secure, but this one's secure too. But if you want it to be more secure and permanent, then use this. And then, but this one, all you have to do for this one is just, let me get it out first. So this one, just do this until you get your desk or how thick it is, make it, and then just do this, and then it should stick. Then screw it down, or like lock it, and then you should be good. I'm gonna move on to this one. So you gotta be careful with this one because there's like a warning sign with this. Wait, let me get the plastic out real quick. And guys, I got it right here. So guys, be careful because it says caution, spring loaded. So you gotta be careful with that. Make sure that it's not like right here in your face as you're getting it out. Make sure you're in a table, then someone's cutting it, and then you just have to like, you know, get it out really slowly. So I got it out, so you gotta be careful with this. So I'm being careful like this. Okay, we got it. When you get this on your desk, this has to be in the top, this like roof thing. And then you just have to do this. And then, and by the way, it doesn't have any locks, guys, because, you know, that's how it can move around. So yeah, that's really cool. So guys, these actually hold the XLR cables right here, as you guys can see. And then once you have it all set up, then you just put it right there, then you should be good to go. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set this boom arm up. I'm really thankful for what I got for Christmas. I love this, and I'm gonna be setting this one up, and I hope it just works out really well. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notification bell that you never miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace.